Hey, good morning, people. Welcome to Gun Talks. Today, we're going to do an unboxing video of a beautiful product which I've heard a lot and also read a lot of review about. So this is going to be an addition or maybe a modification for my Interceptor 650. So I did an online order directly through AEW website, and it took about like 3 days max to receive this package. So I see. Okay, so let's not waste the time and open this box. Yeah. Alrighty, yep, this is gonna be AEW TE 102 model, and they have given few specification like part number 1, the exhaust, perforated tube, DB killer, cover, galvanized packing, Allen key. So these are the items which just come right in this particular package. So this is just a description of what the package is all about. So if you look at it, they have neatly packed the entire package. And yes, once again, this is from Ashu, I would say, I'm so sorry, Ashu Engineering Works. Get the camera closer, show this. You see this nicely packed. This is the exhaust, but it's heavy. For some reason it's heavy. Maybe I thought this is not going to be heavy, but it's a little heavy. Well, I haven't done the comparison between the stock exhaust and this particular one. So I need to just check how exactly, what's the major difference. So I will show it to you very soon. So if you're all wondering about what's the cost for this particular exhaust, right? This exhaust costed me about 19,000 rupees. This includes 28% GST, right? So the actual price, the factory price is 14,843.25 paise, including the GST of 28%. So that's exact 19,000 bucks. So this is how the invoice look. So if anyone looking for a GST invoice, yes. I have reached the garage to fix my AEW exhaust. So here's the fitment. So this is a place which says Babu Bike Works, okay, which is in Rajajanagar. So I'm going to get it fixed. It's a very simple fixture, but here one bad news is that I'll not be able to fix, or I'll not be able to keep this footrest, because the AEW exhaust doesn't come with the a place where we can actually fix that one. So I need to just look at some other option for that. For now, it's going to be there without footrest. So let's see how exactly it's going to look like and also sounds like. See ya. So here's the removed exhaust. So let's see how hefty. Oh my god, this is actually hefty. I would say this is heavier than the AEW exhaust. So he's a guy who's actually fixing my exhaust. So he's from Babu Works. Compared to that one, this is way heavier than what we thought. Extra about the weight though. 2 kg ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು 5 kg ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅದು? So what he's saying is that this would be weighing somewhere around 2.5, whereas in that one definitely for sure more than 5 kgs. That has a crazy weight, yes, for sure. Cheers. Yes. Once again, people, this is actually Babu Bike Works. Finally, both the exhausts are fixed. So this is how it looks. So this time for the exhaust note. Oh yeah. So this is the exhaust note when you have a DB killer. So now I'm going to just show it to you guys how it sounds without a DB killer. Oh wow. Definitely bassy. This is definitely bassy. I'm liking this sound. No regrets, people. The sound was amazing. The exhaust note was bassy, right? So that's how I like it. And it was really fun, right? Knowing and also seeing how this is fixed. So now, people, I'm going to ride this for some time, and also I'm going to review this. So very soon there'll be a collective video which is going to come up, right, which shows what are the modifications I've done. So I'll be giving you the price details, and also I'll be giving you how exactly I got this, or where exactly I got it from. Until then, see you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great one. So
Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the bell. And click the bell. And ring the bell. And click the bell. Bye. Bye. Bye.
ready? Bye for me. Adios. Take care.